Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to add Google Search Console to your website. So here we are in Google Search Console help, and to add the website property to console or search console, this is their guide right here. So you must note that you must be able to prove that you own the site or else this won't work. That's your first step. If you aren't able to prove that you own the actual website, you can ask another property owner to grant you access to the property before you can do so and conduct this all. So there's going to be two types of website properties, which is going to be the URL prefix property or the domain property right here. So the verification will vary for many possible methods for the URL and the DNS record verification only for the domain property. So right here, the examples are listed right here. So you will have to not match the HTTP because it's not gonna work. So www does not also match, and it must be right here as you can see in the example. So to add a new property, open up the property selector in your search console page, or you can click here. I'm gonna give this in the comment section down below. You can select the property on the drop down, and then next you will choose what property you're gonna have to add. So you can go ahead and search and just go ahead and search support.google.com, and then search for add a website property to search console, and you will see this right here. It'll give you the most direct answers right here, more than I can explain, because Google has the actual shortcuts for you to press so that you can go ahead and just go and press it and then add the domain that you want to right here. So adding the new property, you'll just have to select and plus add property, and you'll have to select URL property, or here like the, let's just see right here, domain property, and then the last one is gonna be, so where is it? Google hosted property. So you can choose from those, and then once you have added those, you are good to go. And then you'll just have to re-add a removed pro prompt that you can have, and then it will be re-verified, and then it will be okay already. So basically, that's how you add Google Search Consoles to your website. It's just that simple. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.